Hi guys! In this video, we're going to practice adding a subframe and removing a subframe. So I have got a cabinet which is divided already. Now I want to add a drawer, a subframe, into this section. So select the logo icon and from the component library, select a subframe. For example, a drawer. Select it and drag it to the section until it turns yellow. Left click and then it will fit in. And adjust it. For example, just one drawer. But then I want to remove this subframe. So select the tool, remove subframe, and then left click on it. It will be removed. So this is how we add a subframe into another frame and remove a subframe. For other tool instructions, see you in the next videos.